Hello students. Today we are going to do a different kind of English grammar activity. The topic basically in this activity is covered is simple present and present continuous tense. In earlier videos I have explained you what is simple present tense, what are the rules, regulations of simple present tense and different activities, and also present continuous tense. So before solving this video, go through that video for better understanding. The first activity is read this paragraph and then say which parts of speech each underlined words belong to. Okay, you have to go through the paragraph and there are certain underlined words. You have to identify the parts of speech. In English grammar, there are 8 parts of speech. Number one, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay. In second activity, there is a conversation between two friends, Raj and John. Okay, so you have to complete conversation. There's activity in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay, and you have to apply present continuous form of the verb. For example, John, what dash you do? So answer will be what are you doing? Same way, write down the answers in your notebook and check your answers. Answers are given after each activities. In third activity, you have to complete the sentence by putting in the verbs. Use simple present tense. You have to apply simple present tense. It may be positive or negative also. Okay, you have to apply the simple present tense rule here. In fourth activity, you have to again complete the conversation and apply the simple present tense form of the verb. Okay, there is a conversation between Raj and Tom. So you have to apply simple present tense form. It may be positive also or it may be negative also. Okay. Next activity is activity 5. In that we have to fill in the blanks using simple present or present continuous tense. It's a very important activity. We can apply the rules of simple present tense if only that is given. But here there are two tenses, combination of two tenses given. First is simple present tense and second is present continuous tense. So you have to think carefully which tense will applicable to that which particular blank. Okay, same way when I give another tutorial based on present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, I'm going to give the mixed tenses so you can identify which tense will applicable, because it's very important. We know the tense, but it is very important to which tense will apply at which particular time. It's in the conversation, in writing, it is very important to identify that thing. Okay. Same way in activity 6, fill in the blanks into the simple present or present continuous tense form of the verb. Hitesh and Rajesh are two friends. They are talking at a party. So in this way you can identify in conversation how tenses plays important role. That's why I'm giving you such kind of activity. And all these activities are with answer key. So write down the answers and check your answers after completion of each activity. At the end it is given. Okay. In activity 7, I have made it a bit easy. Select the correct form of the verb in this sentence. You are given two options which form of the verb will come. Okay, so go through the sentence very carefully, write down the correct answer and check your answers. Okay, alright. In activity 8, you have to change the following sentences into interrogative using clue given in brackets. There is a clue given in brackets. You have to apply interrogative sentence. Okay, question. So sentence which frame the questions. Okay. In activity 9, I have given you complete the sentence. Again, you have to apply the verbs in the simple form of simple present tense or present continuous tense. So remember, before solving this activity tutorial, you have to apply, you have to go through the my other tutorials, previous tutorials of related to simple present and or present continuous tense. After that, you can solve this activity. Because in grammar, syntax plays important role, verb play important role. Okay, like which form of the verb you have to apply, you have to understand that very carefully. Okay.